A few years ago, artificial intelligence was mostly a curiosity. People used it for funny images, simple chatbots, and experimental tools. But today, AI is beginning to replace real human work at a speed few people expected. And some experts believe this is only the beginning. Right now, companies around the world are racing to automate entire departments using artificial intelligence. Customer support, graphic design, video editing, programming, marketing, data analysis, even management tasks. AI systems are becoming capable of performing work that once required entire teams of people. And for businesses, the appeal is obvious. AI doesn't sleep, it doesn't take breaks. It can operate 24 hours a day at massive scale. One AI system can sometimes do the work of dozens of employees in a fraction of the time. That's why companies are investing billions into automation. Some businesses are already replacing support teams with AI chat systems. Others are using AI to generate advertising campaigns, edit videos, write reports, and analyze customer data automatically. And each year, the systems become more powerful. But this transformation is creating growing anxiety around the world. Because for the first time in history, automation is no longer limited to physical labor. Artificial intelligence is now entering creative and intellectual industries. Jobs once considered safe are suddenly vulnerable. Writers, artists, designers, coders, researchers, even some legal and financial work is starting to be affected. And unlike previous technological revolutions, AI is advancing incredibly fast. Some experts compare the rise of AI to the Industrial Revolution. Others believe it may become even more disruptive. Because AI doesn't just replace physical effort, it can also replace decision-making, communication, and analysis. At the center of this transformation are giant AI data centers, massive facilities filled with thousands of advanced processors operating around the clock. These systems train on enormous amounts of information and continuously improve their abilities. And companies are competing aggressively to build more powerful AI systems before their rivals do. This has created an international race for AI dominance. Governments now see artificial intelligence as strategically important. The companies building the most advanced AI systems could gain enormous economic power in the future. And the nations controlling AI infrastructure may shape the next era of global technology. But despite all the excitement, there's still one major question nobody can fully answer. What happens when AI becomes capable of replacing not just some jobs, but entire industries? Some experts believe AI will create new opportunities and entirely new kinds of work. Others warn that society may not be prepared for the speed of this transformation. Because unlike previous technologies, artificial intelligence can improve itself. And every improvement makes the next generation even more powerful. Right now, humanity is building systems that may eventually rival human intelligence in many areas. And whether that future becomes dangerous or revolutionary could depend on how we handle the AI race happening today. Because the age of artificial intelligence is no longer coming, it has already begun.